What is up now, baby dolls? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. If you like the video, please like it, share it, and don't forget to smash that notification bell to stay up to date on my latest uploads. So today's video is really short, but I was still in my New York graffiti drip type of vibe. So this video is just going to show the principles of super easy hand painting to create a really edgy, urban, big city, New York graffiti type of flow. Hope you like the video, and thanks for watching.